guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my easy and delicious brown sugar glazed ham. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by making our glaze. To our saucepan, add the 2 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, chili flakes, paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, nutmeg, and salt. We're going to set it over medium heat, mix it, and bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, we can take it to our ham. Okay, I'm going to be using my skillet with the roasting rack. Now I'm going to be grabbing my bone-in spiral cut ham. And I have a 9-pounder. So now we're just going to be brushing our glaze in between every cut and all over the ham. And we're gonna use half of the glaze. Okay, so once we have glazed our ham, we're going to grab our pineapples and the cherries, and we're just going to put it all over our ham. So using a toothpick to secure the cherry and the pineapple, and just cover the ham. Okay, so once we have covered our ham with our pineapple, we're going to pour our pineapple juice from the pineapples to the bottom of our skillet, and now we're going to cover it completely with foil. So now we're going to place it in the oven at 325 degrees, 10 minutes per pound, but we're going to remove it 10 minutes before it's time. All right guys, it's been 1 hour and 20 minutes. Going to remove the ham from the oven, and now we can uncover it. I'm just going to be removing some of the pineapples and cherries. Okay, so here we're going to baste it with its drippings. I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of the drippings to my glaze, the reserved glaze. Okay, so just make sure that you add it in between and all over. And I'm going to be grabbing some brown sugar, sprinkle it on top. Okay, so once we have our ham ready, we're going to stick it back in our oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we're going to cover our ham and just allow it to rest for 10 minutes before we cut right into it. Alrighty guys, and after 10 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, serving. So of course, you can always remove your ham out of the baking dish, present it for your guests. But I am so ready. Let me tell you that I love ham, and just look how easy it falls apart. This is honestly super delicious, no fuss, no struggles. It's so easy to just put it together, and the flavors, let me tell you that it's honestly amazing. Sweet, savory, it's the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. My favorite. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious brown sugar glazed ham. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me at any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.